Alright guys, so I'm just coming from off the road. Did not redo my makeup. Jonathan, hold on. Hey, where's Milo? Come call Milo. So I'm so hot. But anyway, just coming off the road, just pat my face, nothing on my lips. Picked up a package. I'm so excited. This package is from Annabelle Hair. You guys know the curly hair that I wore like a couple months ago. Well, yes, they're an AliExpress store. I love them to bits. Ooh, washing instructions, baby. And they're having a giveaway. Item as described connection. Oh yes, my dear customer, yes. 5 stars equal, yes. Okay, so hold on now, Jennifer. Guys, I got a little beauty sponge. Ooh, drop. And it came in this Annabelle, so cute. Get garbage, throw it away. So you can just use scan this if you want to. Hopefully you can scan it. I'm trying to hold it still, or you can pause the video and come back. So what I got was Peruvian straight. Now this hair is my birthday hair, and it would seem that I get Peruvian hair for my birthday, but that's not it. By the way, thank you so much Annabelle Hair for the birthday gift. You don't know, but it's a gift. And I got 26 inches. I got 4 bundles of 26 inches. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. What a drop down. Stand up strong, hold it and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles of 26 inches. So let's look at one of them. But first, I got a frontal. This is my very first frontal, and I've been watching videos. Oh my god, look at this hair. Oh my goodness, this is my first frontal, and I've been watching videos on how to customize your frontal, so your girl will be customizing this, and I want to record it for you guys, but I'm not sure how good I am at it yet. It feels so gosh darn soft. What are their hairs made out of? Probably human hair, but you get the point. It's just really soft. So I'm just going to go through this sample, this hair here. Yo, this hair long, man. There's no way this is 26 inches, you guys. There's no darn this is 26 inches. This is at the top of my head. Let me see. 26 inches. This is. And that's what I love about. Hold on, Jonathan. It says 100% unprocessed human hair, and it's Peruvian. Hey, garbage. Throw this for me. Yeah, throw it away for me. Throw it away. Garbage. It's just a love about Annabelle. I'm telling you, they give you extra lengths. There's no way this is only 26, and it's Peruvian straight. I wanted a wavy hair, but Peruvian straight. Oh, why am I so hyped right now, bruh? Let's go through all of them. Don't it? Why not? I'm going to have my hair sewn in by Hair Vibes, and I'll also be taking you guys along with me. Take this little sleeve off. Ooh, she's getting undressed, y'all. Oh my goodness. There's no way, bruh. And look what they did. They cut off the ends like the dead hair. I tell you, they give it extra length. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, why am I so hyped right now? Oh my god. Oh, it drop penny grown. Oh, I'm gonna bad mind this. Don't forget. I'm gonna just take time. Undress him there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm too hyped, man. I'm too hyped. I just can't believe the quality of hair from an AliExpress store. That's crazy. Let's just, and all of them is 26 inches. Look at that. Okay, Jonathan, I'm gonna make one bag of noise now. He's like standing legit beneath me. Look at all of this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have all of this sewn in. I'm probably only going to sew in 3 because I don't want it to look so thick. I want it to look kind of thinner. So probably 3 bundles or probably 2 bundles. Who knows? And then the frontal. I cannot even imagine. Just want to stop by and show you guys the hair. I cannot right now. I'm so hyped, and I've never gotten a frontal. I'm so hyped, bruh. So I want to come and show you guys. This is the hair that I'm wearing for my birthday. Alright guys, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait. Cannot wait, man. So excited, yeah? So excited, yeah? Who hyped up, yeah? Yeah? I'm hyped too, man. I'm hyped. My beauty blender. And you guys know I love the other one that I got from them, but it did tear up. So I'm so glad they sent me another one, and they sent me a nude one. Hyped. Ooh. Okay, you guys. Bye.